We talk football SA. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. This video is brought to you by Fazile Security Services. My brother, uthini mntaka baba? Igama
ukhuluma no Sheikh Siphanze Dumbe kaGayimuthi mfowethu.
Awu manje
support yebhani yamfowethu.
Ubuzothatha abantu ukuthi bedlala
mfowethu. Ngiselana mfowethu, yenza support iKaizer Chiefs ukuze the reason why I support iKaizer Chiefs E1 ukuthi Sundowns mfowethu wayeqalena uphinde uyibambe mfowethu.
Yeah.
So the only reason why I was supporting Kaizer Chiefs and Kaizer Chiefs inalento I always maqala season Chiefs iya promise and I would promise kuphela thina ama fans mfowethu isuka idlala but angazi kwenzakalani ku 5 games mayiqhubeka mfowethu. So angazi mangakhuluma no coach we Chiefs or ubani olapha ukuthi kwenzakalani because we are tired of Sundowns ukuthi ithathe ileague ilandelana mfowethu. As our rivals Kaizer Chiefs asizone wasibona kanjani la kuma social media but deep down siyazi ukuthi asifuni Sundowns ukuthi ithathe league. So I came here ngizo support iChiefs namhlanje mfowethu. So i-draw 1-1 is still fine although bengifuna iChiefs win but 1-1 draw is still fine for me. Ngiyafisa ukuthi iChiefs mfowethu going forward iqhubeke izimisele idlale lebhola lesilidingayo because we are tired of one team. We are tired of a team mfowethu consistent from 1 game to 30 games. But Sundowns motoba for the previous games sabe sijabulela draw even if igame ka-30 or ka-25 yona draw. So that's why ngithi mina sibambeni manje isasuka njengamanje yabo bese ngizothi ama fans wonke bafowethu asekani ukubhulanisha la soda stadium. Ngibonile uChina last week lapha ngizala nenkulumo ebengeke but lokho ngibonile ngithi angikupromote nami la ngaphakathi bengihlala nama fans eChiefs wabonile nawo manje angibuza ukuthi ngizowenzani bathi ngizowenzani ufuna ngithanda nawo mfowethu ukuthi ngibonile kwelinye ipage lama fans odapana ngiyabona yakho iyagrow yaqhubeka sihlezi sibuka mfowethu masingesize njalo la abantu positive mfowethu phambili uyibamba mfowethu. Yabonga boss.